I am consciously now not saying the word okay, but I guess I'm saying okay by not saying okay. Here we go. Separate that business out of there. Again, we could go either way. We could put the y's on the left, but that's going to make them negative. We could put the y on the right, but then the y's on the right. Since I did it the other way last time, this time I'm going to solve it by making the y's go to the left. All right, so the way I get rid of this one positive y is I subtract a y, but I got to do it to both sides. That's going to leave me with 6 minus 3y, because if I have a negative and I take away more, I get even more negative. Y minus y cancels out, and then I'm left with that negative 9. Now, if I want to get the y's by themselves, next step would be get rid of this positive 6. So I'm going to subtract 6, but I got to do it to both sides. I still have a negative 3y. And over here, if I'm 9 in the hole, and then I borrow 6 more dollars, how much am I in the hole total? 15, right? The trick to math, if math ever confuses you with like, addition, arithmetic, negatives, just think of it like money, because we all understand money. We use it a lot, right? Like if I said, what's 11 times 25? You might struggle for a couple seconds unless you watched my 11th video. But if I said you had 11 quarters, all of a sudden the answer is going to make perfect sense. Money makes sense to us. All right, we want to get rid of the negative 3. So we could either multiply by negative third, or we could just divide by negative 3. But either way, the way to get rid of a negative is to multiply or divide by a negative. So I'm just going to divide both sides by negative 3. On the left, I'm left with a simple y. On the right, I'm left with negative 15 divided by negative 3 is positive 5. Excellent. Nothing like all 47 of you unanimously saying the correct answer. See, now I sound superhuman.